He's here.
Hey,
Hey.
I'm Lewis. I came about the microwave.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nice to
thank
meet
you
you.
for letting me know about it.
Yeah.
Is this it?
This is it.
All right. How many like gigabytes does it have or megawatts? 20 gigabytes?
Yeah.
All right. Why are you getting rid of it?
Honestly, I have another one coming as a gift.
Okay.
Yeah. I
This
thought I'd
one's
just,
fine though?
Yeah, instead of throwing this out, I thought I'd sell it. So
I've got some stuff in the car, like some food. Is it okay if I actually bring it in just to test to make sure it works in a real life setting?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Be prepared, right?
Just doing this stuff here. Chicken. Oh, actually, do you have any cheese?
Sure.
Yeah. I was gonna make a quesadilla and I forgot the cheese.
I'll give you.
Yeah, that would be great.
I'll give you one.
all these great.
Must be hungry.
Yeah, just to make sure it works, you know.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, let's see. So you just punch in that. All right. Okay. Can't wait.
Yeah.
It's
I'm
gonna be
glad-
good.
Yeah, I'm glad you wanted to buy this. You still
Yeah.
want to buy it, right?
I'm thinking about it. I'm gonna see how it turns out.
Okay.
So I made a case. I just brought like some stuff I wanted to heat up. I mean, this is a pretty typical meal for me. So as long as it's all like, comes to temperature and stuff, like
Okay.
I'm thinking I'll probably want it. What are you thinking about, like selling it for?
I was hoping 50.
50.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, it's going again though.
Oh, I swear this thing works.
All right.
Yeah. Thanks. I'll make it 80.
All right. See ya.
That mother.
Let's see. So you just punch in that. Let's see.
I want to do more than that.
Yeah, maybe a little more than that. So
There we
3
go.
seconds isn't really enough for the
No.
average meal, no. Okay.
No.
So 30 seconds is where you want to be?
Yep.
That kind of thing. Okay. So what kind of food do you usually like eat?
Do we have to redo this? Let's redo it.